All right, good morning, freshmen. This is Mr. Santoro. Today I will be explaining to all of you how to use GarageBand to make music. It's pretty simple. It's pretty straightforward. Just a few parameters for this project during our freshman orientation seminar. I'm going to be calling up a few people at a time to come to the smartboard after you all have logged into the computer system and looked at our um, Google Classroom code, logged into the Google Classroom. Alright, so be sure to do that. Although, if you're watching this video, you probably honestly have already done that. Alright, what you'll do is open up GarageBand and you'll click Empty Project. You'll see this kind of wild looking setup. I would today choose Software Instrument. Go to Create. There's this option for musical typing, which is pretty fun, but not that useful even if you are a good piano player. It's kind of difficult to do. Right. Oh, by the way, we learned yesterday that that's a major chord, right? And then now it's a seventh chord. Okay, let's move on. What you'll do to start your project is you'll go to View up at the top, Show Loop Browser. All right, and you'll get this kind of crazy looking setup, and it'll show you all the different instruments that you can choose from. All right. What I want you to do today is just fool around a little bit. I would click out of musical typing. You don't necessarily need it. Fool around a little bit on this program. See if you can come up with something cool. You can take a soundbite like this. It'll show up on the DAW in the workspace. This means Digital Audio Workstation, right? This is the workspace where your song is visually being represented. Alright, so you can click play at the top, and you'll hear all kinds of cool sounds. Oops. And you'll have the opportunity to layer sounds if you want. You can have the opportunity to create different melodic patterns if you want. Really, the world is your oyster. I want you to try to have some fun with this. Some sounds sound better together than others, so it takes some experimenting. All right. Okay, you can make a sound loop repeat over and over again by clicking at the top where there's this little loopy, or you can shorten and lengthen the sound that you want to use with this bottom opportunity. There's other instruments, have fun. I'm just kind of fooling around right now. I'm having some fun. Let's see what we got. You can make multiple layers. You can layer things in and out. Most of us should have the Apple loops ready to go. See if that sounds any good. Oh, that really doesn't sound like much. Okay, anyway, when you are done, you're completely finished, which may be this class, maybe next class. You can go to to share at the top. You'll do export song to disk. Name it your name. Make sure you've clicked the MP3 button. Save it to the desktop. The program will take what you've created and make a little MP3 icon. That's pretty chill. And then what I want you to do is go to the Google Classroom, click that icon, and upload it as your project. Today I'm going to drag this to the trash because I don't really want to use it right now. But I'll have some fun later on with that. Good luck. There's no real guidelines. You can make as many tracks as you want. And music production is a big part of our curriculum here. So we don't just use GarageBand. We use lots of different digital audio workstations. We use Logic, we'll use Pro Tools, we'll use some really high-end things, some sophisticated software. Um, but for today, I want you to just have some fun on GarageBand. Okay, so um, that'll be it. And I'll call you all up, one or two people at a time, maybe in smaller or larger groups rather, to learn how to read some rhythms. So you'll need headphones, but just pay attention to what's going on in class because I'll be calling people up, a few folks at a time. All right, good luck.